Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me today. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what I received in March from IPSY. I am super excited. I have both the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus here today. But before we get started, if you like all things makeup, beauty, and fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, I am super excited to see what I received in March from IPSY. I have the Glam Bag here, and I have the Glam Bag Plus, so I am super excited. Last month was an awesome month from IPSY. I got, it was February, March, yeah, it was last month. Last month was the first Glam Bag X, whatever, it was the first one of that, and I received the Huda Beauty palette, among other awesome things, but I am wearing the Huda Beauty palette today. I love it. It works so nicely. The colors are right up my alley. I really like it, so I'm really happy with that. All right, let's get into the Glam Bag here and see what we got. All right, here is the bag for the month. I love it. It is super cute. I love this. All right, let's see if there's a card. There is. So the theme for the month is Stronger Together, and the future is female. You got this. Equality. Love it. Love all of those things. All right, the first thing we have in here is from Milk Makeup. This is what it looks like. This is a lip and cheek in the color Work. Let's see. I think I've received one of these in the past from BoxyCharm. Oh, it smells nice. The color wasn't quite my thing from the BoxyCharm one, but this one's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a soft coral, almost coral, almost mauve-y. It's more coral than it is mauve-y, but it is very pretty. I do really like that. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And next up, oh, this was the one that I picked. I'm really excited for this one. This is their Real Magnet Mascara from Benefit. I've seen so much advertising for this on like Instagram and on TikTok, so I'm really excited to try this mascara out. I'm gonna open it up and see what the wand looks like. Smells like mascara, but that is what the wand looks like. Now, supposedly, I don't really want to try this because I don't want to ruin this, but like some of their ads, they're showing them like picking up like metal things with this mascara. I don't know if that's legit. What I would also be interested in is if this is actually magnetic, would it work with magnetic lashes? So, very interested to know that one. All right, next up in here, we have, looks like we have an eyeshadow duo. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is from Element Beauty. This is the Ariel and Luna eyeshadow duo, and this is what they look like. It's kind of like a peach shimmer and then like a lilac shimmer. Very pretty. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, those are so nice. The pinkish one is a little dusty, but the lavender one is very creamy and very pretty. Those are so nice. I think that would make a really nice spring look. All right, we got two more items in here. So the first one we have is from Mented. It's Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment. Love me a lip treatment, love me a lip balm, so really excited for this one. I think generally the ones I get that are in the little twist ones that are kind of like old-fashioned style chapsticks are my least favorite. They are never quite as creamy and emollient as I like my lip balms to be, but the ones in the squeeze tubes generally are a little bit better, so I'm interested to see what the texture is on this one. Smells very nice, smells coconutty. And it has that nice thick texture, so I think I will like this one. All right, and on to the last item that I have in my Glam Bag. We have We Are Fluid Clear. Clear what? What are you? Based on what this looks like, I'm thinking mascara or brow, something clear. Yeah, it must be like a clear brow gel, just based on like the small spoolie end. I wonder if there's anything in here. Oh, there is. I feel a little silly because I feel like these cards, when I first started getting IPSY, they didn't have like what I got in them. And so I stopped looking in the cards. Like I never look in the cards, but they actually have everything in here that I probably could have been looking at this all along. So this is a Browsy Brow Gel in Clear. This has an MSRP of $12. The Mented Balms Away Coconut Lip Treatment has an MSRP of $12. The Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo has, okay, so this is a deluxe sample, so it's not the full size, but the full size version of this palette is $42. The Milk Makeup Lip Cheek in Work. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size is worth $28. And then the Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Magnet Mascara. This is, of course, a sample, and the full size is $27. So apparently I need to start looking in my cards because, like I said, I have just been throwing them out without even looking inside of them. So fun. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up real quick, and then we're going to get into the Glam Bag Plus. All right, here is the Glam Bag Plus, and here is the bag. Again, I love the theme of this month. I think it's super cute. I'm just going to spill this all out so we can look at everything. So here is the... so the Glam Bag Plus does not have anything in there, and it's probably because you can pick like several of the items, so they probably kind of leave that off of here because it would be hard to customize them all. So we're going to start with the items that I picked. I remember picking. So the first one is the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus patches. So these I've been seeing all over TikTok and they look amazing. I don't get a lot of breakouts often, but every once in a while I do get some. So I would be really interested to try this out and see if it does what it's supposed to. Basically, if you get a blemish, you put this on there and it just helps kind of like draw everything out and helps it like get rid of it quickly. Let's see, ingredient, hydrocolloid. So these are like those Band-Aids. Again, I've been seeing it all over TikTok where they'll put the hydrocolloid, and hopefully I'm saying that right, but they'll put that on their like acne, and then you can see you can basically see all the stuff it draws out. It's super satisfying, and not that I want to get a blemish, but I kind of hope I get one just so I can try this out. And I also like that it doesn't have a bunch of different ingredients in it. When I was younger, I was actually prone to having blemishes and acne. I couldn't use a lot of the items out there because I was sensitive to, I think maybe it was salicylic acid. I think that's usually the main ingredient, but I'm excited to try these out. All right, next up, again, this is one that I chose. This is the Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I thought this was super cute. I actually picked this specifically to go into my spring giveaway. So I'm going to do that, which the spring giveaway is currently going. It's going from March 21st all the way to April 16th. So I'll put the link for the giveaway up above so you guys can get to that video and enter the giveaway. But I picked this specifically. I thought it was cute and springy and it would be a cute little addition to that. So I'm going to put this in that giveaway. The video for the giveaway doesn't show this because I didn't have it yet. So there will be some like little extra freebies that, you know, I'll be getting and putting into that giveaway so that there's some surprises for you guys. But yeah, this is going in that giveaway. All right, the next item we have is a set of brushes. These actually look really nice. It's MOTD Cosmetics. I like the packaging. I like that each brush tells you what they do. I think that's a really nice touch. These look like they're pretty decent quality. And again, because I really like this packaging and it kind of fits my pastel theme, these are gonna go into the spring giveaway. All right, we have 2 more items. The next item we have is an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. And this is what the outside looks like. And let's take a look at the colors. Well, this is very pretty. They're very neutral, and I could see making some really nice looks with this eyeshadow palette. I really like that. I particularly like this kind of like gunmetal shade. I think that's super pretty, but these are really nice. I am looking forward to trying these out. All right, and the last item that we have in the Glam Bag Plus is from Haus Laboratories, and this is a lipstick in burlesque. I am super excited. I've not tried any of the Haus Laboratories makeup yet. As usual, I'm always kind of like late to the game, late to the show. But if you are also not familiar, it is Lady Gaga's makeup brand. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. It's a sparkle lipstick. The packaging is like nice and sleek. And oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. I don't even know if the camera is going to pick it up. So it definitely has that sparkle. It's a really pretty red, but the way it's sparkly, it's like striped. It almost looks, it like reminds me of like a circus tent. I'm going to see if I can get up in here real close. Just so you can see it. Don't mind the nails. They're not in the greatest shape, but look at how pretty that is. I'm really excited to try this out. I kind of wish I have like the, oh, and it's magnetic closure. That's nice. I am wearing my Maybelline, what is it? I'm wearing the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. And this stuff is really difficult to get off. Otherwise, I would take it off to try this red lipstick, but I'll probably wear it in my next IPSY unboxing next month just to see how it works. It's so pretty. I really like it. So that was it for the month of March for IPSY. I think both bags were pretty nice. I like the bags themselves. I thought they were super cute. I'm really happy with what I got, and there are a few things that I'm really excited to try out, and I'm glad that I was able to put a couple things in the giveaway pile. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do so. And until next time, guys, bye!